user interface. View tab here, view, view rib, ribbon tab, user interface settings. You'll get, uh, you can check and uncheck properties browsers and structure browser, M&E browser, everything. Revit 25 has one more option, canvas theme. So you can just turn to black.
Mm.
No need to go to file option, change the color. It's a new
I
feature.
love this. I love that.
Oh, you would like white picture. But
But the for Revit, if you use black theme,
you cannot see anything.
you can't see. It will be very difficult to understand. But anyhow, the new feature is one, CA, type selector. When you select any family, you will get this type selector here. You can replace with a different family.
These families are available there.
Yeah, these are loaded into project. You need to load. By default, there won't be nothing. We need to go to insert, load family, or we can go to edit type. There also the option will come to load. Right of project will load from here, or just drag and drop. You
Drag
can,
and drop if you have,
yeah,
let's say,
okay, you can see Revit 25 interface slightly different, and they added more features. Can you see there? 19 version up to 24 is different. Slight, not major change. Here you can see there is a precast system, structure, steel. These are new options in latest version. Earlier version they don't
this
have
one
these
do not,
options.
19 do not break us.
Yeah, 19.
Skills.
And 10th here the bottom side, the view control bar. Follow me. You just click option. You will understand this. This is view control bar. View control bar nothing means it controls the view. The first is to change the scale option. You can change scale. See here now. Here you can see the dimension. The scale is 1 by 8 equal to 1 feet. So let's just see what happens. I make one half quarter an inch. You can see the sizes and the annotation family size will be change according to the scale. Second,
Twice this one or it's default?
sorry,
Do they customize this one? Say the the one is 100 X, right?
you need to give the scale initially. Otherwise, if you change scale, your dimension will vary. You need to readjust your sheet work.
If you use this one, right? The one on changing only is the size of the dimension in the text, but the dimension of the plan, the drawing.
The default, uh, there are default scale. You can customize and create new one. You can create their own scale. And the next one is the detail level, coarse, medium, fine. There are three detail levels: coarse, medium, fine. And see this will be useful. For example, you can see wall. Now you can see the concrete hair pattern. Just see if I change to coarse, medium. See the line width slightly, you can see it's changing. Fine. The detail level of Revit families will change. Next one is the visual style. We can show as a wireframe, hidden line, shaded. Next is consistent colors, textures, the actual textures applied. Yeah, but this now if you hidden line is the best option. If you change to other visual styles, it will take processing too much time. If it's a huge file, it will slow down the system.
How many options there?
In 25 they added more. The texture is new.
Only the
Here only wireframe,
Yeah,
hidden, shaded, consistent colors,
realistic.
realistic textures.
Only you see the line.
So they added new in Revit 25.
Textures is
Texture, see the actual texture, the texture which we added in material. Yeah, the
So
realistic to show realistic view. But the to process it will too much time. Working will be very hard in this
what texture is the material real?
can you do again for the texture?
texture. See,
That if
texture.
I do rendering, is the same as the texture.
Uh, yeah, while rendering only you need to take visual style to texture. Rendering really takes like 24 hours.
We're using the same sample.
Oh,
Okay, well, let me open same sample.
With that, what if I accidentally change something? Like I I move the grid. How can I return?
Move it back.
Control Z.
Yes, undo.
Return.
Control Z, or here you can see the top. There's option to do undo.
We should Control Z.
This one.
See now Control Z, Alt plus backspace in Revit 25.
Control.
Earlier it was only Control Z, but 25 Alt plus backspace. Or you can create your own keyboard shortcut.
Same. I think same.
This one is a sun path. Sun path nothing but to for shadow analysis. If you on sun, okay, the actual if you add the actual coordinates according to weather, you can analyze how the sun rays will enter the building for sustainability.
Let's say
Solar study.
if it's the weather, it's rainy.
No,
This one is
that,
based on the phone. Let's say sunrise.
yes, I will show you how it works.
Is that swimming pool?
No,
It's
Revit 25 has different sample project.
so big really.
Sun path on.
Huh? Big, yeah.
Like
Big. Sun diet.
Single day, multiple day, lightning. Sun from which side you want. You can add sun from top right, lower, we can change. We can give the azimuth, altitude, ground plane and parking. You can add the shadow. Shadows you can see. Okay, let me go to this. Yeah. can see shadows. Again, I will change sun settings, top right, multiple day, 1 year solar study,
They have different.
spring solar study. See the shadows are changing. This one to on the shadows off. Now I off. It's better to keep off because processing takes too much time. It will slow down the work. Sun setting,
If it's off, all the lighting is the same, right?
Just like
and this subject for rendering. Crop view.
From here. Sure.
Close, close. Change it to
How to go to the 3D?
3D. You can see this home sequel here. One option. Select default 3D view or here on project browser.
what do you call this? 3D.
3D views.
Yeah, 3D views.
Okay, I
On
just double
project
click
browser.
this one.
Yeah, double click you can do. You can right click and duplicate and create your own view by using cropping the region.
Ah, say you crop.
Okay, I will show you how to use crop. Okay, now this set one 3D view.
Mm.
I want to change this view and create new 3D view. You just go. This is default 3D view, right? I will duplicate this one. Duplicate with detailing. Okay, we can rename anything we want. Crop region visible. Now crop region is visible now. Okay, I think 3D should be unlocked. You can rotate. For example, you want to show only this small building. Select this section box. Section box. This section box is hidden. This is section box. Just need to right click, duplicate 3D view, and use crop region and section box to create separate 3D views. Right click. Okay, this crop view here on properties palette. Crop region visible. Okay, this crop region. Sometimes you maybe you need to check. Okay, I think this one. No, no, use section box. Okay, see, section box is on, but on its section box. But you can't see section box here. because it's hidden now.
Mm.
Yeah, you go to visibility graphics, VG. This will come on annotation category. Annotation category. You go this, check the section box. Section box. Section box. Okay, section box is on. It means they hide it permanently. What do you need to go? You need to go for temporary reveal. Here, this bulb. Temporary reveal item. See this section box. This one, right click, unhide from the unhide in view. You can see now. And you can now using this handles
You can select this.
select and rotate. This one is to rotate the section box. So no need to show entire project. You can show certain element and create a using sheets. Next 3D view queue. This is 3D view queue. This arrow to change from north, south, east, west. If you click here, it will come as isometric view. Left. We click here, it will come on this angle. This here, this isometric view. Front. This side, this edge. Edge side will rotate. You can see these are getting highlighted. Highlighted portion, the same the 3D will rotate.
Sorry. How can I go to that view? I mean this thing because my mind is
Okay, you can't select top, right? You're asking. You select this one. Again, top.
Mm.
So same 3D cube as in AutoCAD. And you can rotate.
How do I shoot?
You escape, you go to the properties. It's better, best practice to keep project browser here, properties palette here.
No, you mean together or the other side?
Uh, Left side properties palette, right side project browser. You drag here.
Very useful.
Okay. You need to navigate
Okay.
2 times. It's
How do I
you go to properties. You can see here extents. You just untick those things. You don't need crop view, crop region. Yeah, section box is hidden now. Reveal item here. This bulb. You will select and right click. This works for every element. Permanently hidden means right click here on the section box. Right click and hide in view. Yeah.
Where is the unhide? I hide the element, the section box. But I want to show it again.
You need to reveal first. You need to select
Reveal.
reveal.
Okay. Then close.
Right click.
Unhide view elements.
Is now. See, you can see it's not red color now. It's the blue. This means it's unhidden. You just select a bulb again. You can see the section box. Yeah. Number 2 is a navigator bar. This is a little icon. Navigator bar. You will get zoom options. navigate about different zoom options. Zoom out, zoom to fit, zoom out, again go zoom to fit, zoom to sheet size, previous pan and zoom.
I want to go back to the so it's a crop view, right? I want to the original one.
You select different 3D.
So
I think you made you okay. What you do? You go to 3D view this one or view tab. Here also 3D the actual option default
default
3D.
3D.
Okay, you change in default 3D. You didn't duplicate it.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. How do you
Control Z you need to do. You need to create new one because you worked on my default. So it's always best practice. You duplicate and work. See there this little drop down context menu. You can click, go home, save view. Now it's orthographic. You can change to perspective. See, change to perspective view.
where is that?
Here. Orthographic. You can see perspective.
Can see.
Here.
Just tag for this.
Yeah. Context menu, perspective, orthographic. Set current view as a home.
Not duplicate where how can I show?
Okay, I know that. I will tell you. Let me complete.
Okay.
So see here. Uh, reset front. You can see the orient to view. We can go. We can cut 3D to that level. So whole 3D is there. No, you want to see only first level. Let's select this L1. See, it rotate to L1. Again, go here. Orient to view. Floor plan.
Plans.
You want to L2. L2. You can see the L2.
Okay.
Let's make it not hidden. Otherwise, we get possessed again. I want to see third floor. Just go here. Keep the drop down. Orient to view. Floor plans. Select L3 level. To show third floor. Same.
I can see.
Yeah. Orient to view. Say for example, elevation was south elevation. See south elevation. You can see south elevation.
This here, right?
Yeah.
Orient
Orient
view.
view.
Orient to view.
Then you choose.
Elevation. Select north. North side. So no need to go and rotate manually. You can go directly with floor plan.
Orient view. Orient direction.
This context menu you can see here. Orient to a direction.
What's the difference of orient view and orient direction?
Direction. This is northeast. Northeast. See here. It will rotate.
It's like
For
perspective.
if you set true north, for example, you press the true north this angle. If you click northeast, it will rotate to that side. This is true north. Perspective view, orient to view. Northeast direction, northwest direction. Same thing. You can change. Orient to a plane. How many reference plane created, according to that plane, it will rotate. or you can pick a plane and rotate to that one.
Pick a plane.
Okay, you can access these options. You can access view cube settings. You can on off. Show view cube in all 3D view or only active view. Drag it also. These are the settings for view cube. Keep scene upright and it is a transition strict views. To restore to default. These options you can access from here also. File options. We'll get all these settings. View cube settings. View cube size we can reset it to small. See it gets small. Large, you can keep large. It's better to best practice keep automatic.
Open the graph.
How to go back to create one? Make
Original 3D.
cross into
You need to create one view as a default. In the double select it from proper project browser. Yeah, click double click 3D. The double click or open. First one, first. Okay, you're directly working on default 3D. You go to 3D copy. See, this is the created one.
this one. If I work on this one,
Yeah, if you work on, you need to control Z or create new one. So always best practice to duplicate and work. And this is same applicable for flows also, working views.
I thought it showed the oriented. Yes, show the other levels and sections.
And there, this is that navigator bar, zoom options, customize. You can customize this one. Docking position, zoom, steering wheels, top right, top left. Or if you want to dock to bottom right. Top right.
How do you grab that? Sorry.
Hmm?
The
That one, okay. There is a drop down menu here by at the bottom. Okay,
docking position holds. Top left, bottom left.
we open magnify. You can see here, drop down docking position. You can select top right, bottom left. Here, project browser. This is project browser. You will get project browser. You will get like floor plans, section, elevation, legend, schedule, sheets, private files linked, groups created, To activate any view, you just need to right click, open, or double click to activate that view. And pressing central scroll button, it will zoom to extend. For example, if it got small, just press this one 2 times. It will zoom extend. Yes, that was called double click. It will take zoom extend. See here, these all things are visible, right? You want crop region. Now,
Right click.
No.
no, center will double click,
Right, see.
zoom extend. Or you can go here, drop down menu, zoom to fit. Okay.
Either you use this one or you click
Center view.
Center wheel.
Double.
Center wheel double click.
just now it shows other
That because the annotation the crop region was unchecked. So we'll go in detail on extents in next sessions. Next, project browser, drawing area. Okay. Drawing area is nothing but for floor plan, section, 3D view. All these are drawing area. The drawing area where you draw a model, the model elements. Status bar.
how can I close this?
This one, sun bar. Here, turn off. If you keep it on, it will take processing too much time. It will slow down your system. Status bar at the bottom. When you select any, activate any like command, for example, wall, architecture wall, you can see showing status. Click enter wall to starting point. Next, basic wall is telling what space flip orientation is giving a direction next step to do. It is a status bar. File. File option you will get to create new project, family, conceptual mask, title block, annotation symbol. I think it is different in go to new, the older version. Yes, similar.
File, project, family, section master.
You can start new files. This is to exit Revit and option.
Exit revenue.
It will close the Revit software. One here and next if we right
The
right side
option
of top. You will get options to user interface, graphics, hardware, file location, rendering, check spelling, steering wheels, view cube, macros.
view cube.
Open to open cloud-based model, project, family, Revit file, IFC. Latest versions have you can open IFC file. Uh, Older version you need to link. This is a new option in the 19 also has the IFC options sample files.
Sorry, how can I close this?
Property line, no, it will be there now. Save as, export. You can export CAD format, PDF,
Save.
TFC, DWF,
project.
FTX.
Can you save it as a CAD
Yeah,
file?
yeah, CAD, DGN both are. See, you can see TWG, DXF, DGN, object file,
Why this one don't have?
STP, STL. It has. You need to go to export.
It's
Export option.
Ah,
See, let's see.
mm-hmm.
when you say export pro, this one I can convert to these files.
Hmm.
This save as is only for the Revit file. Project family templates.
Library.
You need to export.
So let's say this whole thing, this is a Revit file, right? If I save to CAD.
It will come as a 2D.
Ah, no 3D.
Now
Yeah,
currently
yeah,
it's
no, it will work. It like whatever is visible here
Mhm.
it will become
come. Yeah, if you want to export 3D, you need to go to 3D view, export. The entire 3D will come, but it will take too much time. It will be like 10 or 10, 12 GB after export. If you export 2D, it will be less size.
Export as CAD.
And this was user interface.